Mandible! It's the grand opening of Border Patrol, starring Andrea Delcita Wright.
You are dealing with years of marriage. Me I deal with straight investment. So why my husband? Cause him the big on the stock market. I'm gonna need the shares. So when you the on Wall Street, me the on the auction bar. Get.
So, if the marriage means nothing to you, why you don't just stay abroad? Before I stay here and live in this misery, we gonna live underneath a papa tree.
And embarrass me? I have an image to protect. How disgraceful! Why can't you get a full man for yourself? You idiot! Can't afford a full deal. So we take hot wings and coleslaw, mad something. You fit try it.
See you, Merkel? You remind me of Riverton Dump. When you burn with no conscience. You're so toxic, Merkel.
Yes, because I happen to be the head of a solid waste.
Pardon me?
A big load of solid waste. I am Corporal Dev, a member of JBCD and JAMS. What is that? JBCD, Jamaica Baby Crying Division, and JAMS, Jamaica Association of Maid Chick and Side Chick, right? I don't know why you girls think you should have your man all the time. We say, miss, all the time you read the clock wrong. We work special time. Wife work 12 o'clock, matey work